Hi everyone, how are you today? Hope you are well. Back again with me, Ryan from Green Camp, Bali. Have you ever wondered where will you stay when you come to Green Camp? Well, worry no longer. In this episode, we're going to show you one of our accommodations, our beautiful and sustainable bamboo houses. Are you ready? Check this out. Located in the lush green forest southwest of Ubud, Green Camp was established side by side with Green School. Named after the many famous islands of Indonesia, our houses are one of the accommodation options at Green Camp. We also have yurts and a bamboo dormitory. In the kitchen area, you can find standard kitchen facilities such as a fridge and stove. Continue to the living room where everyone can gather and socialize. The bathroom consists of hot and cold shower and our unique compost toilet. Last but not least is the bedroom with double bed or bunk bed with mosquito nets. Each house will have 2 to 3 bedrooms and can accommodate groups of all sizes. Okay, so what do you think, Green Campers? I hope you like what you see, and I cannot wait to see you here at the Green Camp. Bye bye for now.